Hello family, my name is Victor and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel seeks to offer simple life hacks that will make your interaction enjoyable in this online space. Today I will show you how to pre-register for the COVID-19 and how to download your COVID-19 certificate after you have been vaccinated. Recently, the government of Kenya, through the Ministry of Health, offered certain directive that requires its citizens to be fully vaccinated before they can get certain services from the government. For more information about this, kindly visit the Ministry of Health official Twitter handle, whereby you'll be able to read more about this. So today I'm going to show you how to first of all pre-register, and to do that you'll be required to visit the website, which is portal.health.go.ke, and you can see under this website there are a number of things that you can do. You can register for the vaccination, you can view your vaccination schedule, you can download your COVID-19 vaccination certificate, you can view certain COVID-19 registration information and other details. So since I'm assuming that you are yet to register, you're going to click on create account. So have you been vaccinated? You'll just click on no. Then you can see here you'll require an identification document for you to sign up. So you might require an ID card, a passport, a birth certificate, an alien ID, or a military ID. You'll also need to have an email address. You'll also need to have a phone number, and then you'll enter your password. Then you are going to sign up. Once you are done that, you can always log in with the credentials that you have created. Now, as for me, I had already signed up for the exercise. So as you can be able to see, this is my vaccination schedule. I received my first dose on Saturday, the 28th of August, that was 2021, and I was expecting my second dose last Saturday, but I missed it. But I'm surely going for my second dose next Monday. So for you to download the vaccination certificate, you will simply go to the vaccination certificate here, and under here you can see this tab, download certificate. So you will click on download that certificate, and as you can see, it has opened here. So once it has been downloaded on my laptop, so I can be able to view it, and here is my certificate. So that is how you are supposed to go about that. So thank you for your time. If you are a returning subscriber, I would just like to appreciate you. Kindly comment, like, and share my video. And if this is your first time, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly consider giving us a thumbs up and kindly consider subscribing. Thank you for your time.